The toggle switch of delusion. There's a switch in my brain. Most of the time I'm happy, Andrew. Most of the time I'm chipper, Andrew. Most of the time I'm lovey-dovey, Andrew. But sometimes the toggle switch flips on, and I think they're sadistic persecutors, pharmacological abusers. They were trying to kill me while creating the facade they were trying to help me. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion. Then the switch gets flipped off, and I'm back to loving Andrew, happy Andrew, the nicest guy Andrew, chipper Andrew, peaceful Andrew. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion. Then I get emotional, angry, and the switch gets flipped on again. And they're Satan. They're monsters behind their masks. They're sadistic deceivers. They were trying to kill me. The toggle switch of delusion. Then the switch flips off, and I'm back to loving Andrew. Rapid delusional mood swings. Ruin meaningful relationships. When you go from thinking someone loves you to they want to kill you, back to they love you, back to they want to kill you, people aren't going to understand how your mind works. They're going to be frightened of you, and they're going to avoid you. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion.